Good morning, you guys. I feel like it has been so long since I came out here and like filmed and had something new to show you. So the last I left off with you guys telling you what was going on was we kind of got halted with the work on the inside of the house, which if you're not caught up, I will put that video in the description for you guys so you can be like fully caught up on the the situation of the house. We are taking a break from the inside and we are working on the outside. Is that a stapler?
You bet it is.
What? Don't they have like an electrical one or something?
Well, yeah, but I figured my tool budget's probably blown already.
Oh, you should have bought a tool to do this. I feel like that's like extra work.
No, this is a lot better than a nail gun.
Is it?
Just whack it. Bam, bam, bam.
Are you being sarcastic?
Dead serious.
Oh.
It's pretty good.
All right.
Dirty. This is what protects your house from getting wet on the inside. It's called vapor barrier. And every house from here on out has to be coated with this.
Nice.
So before we put up the siding, we got to get this stuff all up.
Which is the most exciting part that I wanted to show everybody today. You've probably seen this trailer sitting in the back of some of our videos. Jill, tell them what's under the tarps.
This is our cement board siding from Nichiha.com. I decided to go with a cement board siding that will actually mimic the original siding that was on the house. This stuff is made with new technology, so it's such a superior product. It is so heavy duty that my trailer is squatting so bad, and that is with supports underneath the back end. This stuff is so heavy, but it's so good.
This is paintable, so I get to decide the color of the outside of the house, which I have no clue what I'm going to paint it, but I'm pretty excited.
I'm super excited to like lay this stuff. I've always wanted to like side a house, nail it all the way. This is cool.
I'm nervous because it feels like a lot of work for you.
Well, it's going to be a lot of work.
If you guys are interested or looking into exterior siding for your house, we'll put all the information for Nichiha in the description. I'll see you at 5.
Bye. I'll see ya when I get off work. My boss lets me go.
Well, she says that you can leave at 5 if your work is done.
It's not going to be done for a couple of months.
Hey, you know your tasks for today. See ya!
Bye, Dolly. Love ya.
The kids are home from school. And of course he's like playing on that because I finally let the kids play with that again. It's no secret how flipping in love with my boys I am. And they're coming home talking about, you know, the girl situations at school, which will remain anonymous. We will not say names. We will not talk about all that. Is that okay? Like, can I say this? Okay. Cody's very particular about this. I have to teach you boys something and you have to like really hear me on this. I'm going to teach you a few things. Let me tell you what girls want. It kind of was like, oh, if a boy is teasing you, that means he likes you. Guys, that is called playing games.
Exactly.
We don't play games, do we?
What?
Like playing mind games with girls, right?
I don't do it though. They do it to me though.
Yes, and you know what? Those are not the kind of girls that you want as your girlfriends. Now let me tell you, if you like a girl, how do you teach her that you like her?
Be nice. Be nice.
And smile at her. And you can tell her that she, like if you think her hair looks cute, you can tell her hair looks cute. Or if she did a good job on a test, you can say, wow, you're really smart. You did really good on that test. Or, you know, those kind of things. Compliment her, right? But it's, no, you have to listen. You have to treat them really nice. That is all girls want. Bossy, are you okay? Do you have something in your eye?
Bree's been telling him not to do that. It's been red all week, really.
No, I've actually noticed. We need to get some like eye drops or something. You gotta stop rubbing your eye.
I have my own eye drops and then every night I
Yeah,
put
well,
them in.
you know what? We're going to the grocery store today. We'll get you eye drops. What is the most important thing? What do girls want the most?
Be nice,
Be
smile
nice
at
to
them.
be nice to them. They just want you to be nice. Don't play games. Don't try and have her guess what you're thinking. If you like a girl, treat her kindly. Treat her with respect. And she will like you back. Because one, you're, stop! Stop, I'm gonna give an eye patch for you. That's what they want. And I need you to understand that from a young age. Because the most beautiful girls aren't with the most buffest, most handsomest men, even though you are the most buffest and most handsomest men, so you can have any girl you want. But that's beside the point. Girls want to be the most beautiful women. Sometimes are with like the short, bald, chubby guys because looks don't matter as much as the way you treat people. And speaking on looks, does short, round, bald, chubby mean unattractive? No, that's attractive.
I'm short.
Is tall, full head of hair, completely muscly attractive? Yes, it's all attractive. The human race is attractive. You'll find what's most attractive to you, but what's the most attractive thing is the way people treat you. And if you, last thing, if you're nice to a girl, you have to date and marry a girl that is equally as nice.
That's in like 5 years for me.
Do you understand? Do you hear? Don't listen. You have to marry someone that treats you the same way that you treat them. You don't want to marry someone that isn't going to appreciate how nice you are, because then you'll be taken advantage of. Am I making sense here? Listen to this video when you're engaged, and if this girl isn't meeting the requirements, be like, I'm sorry, my mom said I can't. Okay. Okay, that's all. Okay. I don't ever want you to get married. You can be marry me.
Yeah, in the second life.
In the